Hello, everyone, and welcome to English Go Easy. My name is Xena, and I am so excited to be here with you today. Thank you for joining me in this slow English listening practice video. Today, we are going to spend 10 minutes together learning and practicing English in a very relaxed and easy way. I will speak slowly and use simple words so you can follow along easily. So sit back, relax, and let's begin our English journey together. Today, I want to share something special with you. I want to talk about how you can improve your English speaking skills even if you are a beginner. Many people think that speaking English is very difficult. They feel shy, they feel scared, they think they need perfect grammar before they can speak. But that is not true. Speaking English is actually much easier than you think. You just need the right method and a little bit of confidence. So let me ask you a question. Do you want to speak English fluently? Do you want to talk with people from different countries? Do you want to feel confident when you speak? If your answer is yes, then this video is perfect for you. I am going to give you some very simple tips that will change the way you learn English. These tips are easy to follow and they really work. I used these tips myself when I was learning English, and they helped me so much. So let's start with tip number 1. Tip number 1 is speak English every day, even if it is just for 5 minutes. You don't need to practice for hours. You don't need to study grammar books all day. Just speak for 5 minutes every single day. You can talk to yourself in the mirror. You can describe what you are doing. For example, when you wake up in the morning, you can say, "Today is a new day. I feel good. I will have breakfast now. I am going to brush my teeth." When you are cooking, you can say, "I am making tea. The water is hot. I'm adding sugar. This smells nice." These are very simple sentences, but they are so powerful. Why? Because you are training your mouth and your brain to think in English. You are building a habit, and habits are the secret to success. Many students make one big mistake. They study English only once a week or twice a week. Then they forget everything. But if you speak just 5 minutes every day, your brain will remember. Your speaking will become natural. So starting today, promise me that you will speak English for 5 minutes daily. It can be in the morning, in the evening, or at night. Any time is fine. Just make it a daily habit. Now let's move to tip number 2. Tip number 2 is listen to English every day. Listening is so important. If you want to speak well, you must listen a lot. When you listen to English, your ears get used to the sounds. Your brain learns new words. You understand how sentences are formed. You learn the rhythm and the flow of English. So how can you practice listening? It is very easy. You can listen to English songs. You can watch English videos on YouTube. You can watch movies with English subtitles. You can listen to podcasts like this one. You can even listen to English audiobooks or stories. The best part is you don't need to sit at a desk and study. You can listen while you are walking, while you are cooking, while you are cleaning your house, or while you are traveling. Just put on your headphones and listen. Even if you don't understand every word, that is okay. Just keep listening. Your brain is working in the background. It is learning even when you don't realize it. After some time, you will notice that you understand more and more. Words that seemed difficult before will become easy. So remember, listening and speaking go together. If you listen more, you will speak better. Now let's talk about tip number 3. Tip number 3 is don't be afraid of making mistakes. This is very, very important. So many students are afraid of mistakes. They think, if I make a mistake, people will laugh at me. If I say something wrong, people will think I am stupid. But let me tell you something. Mistakes are not bad. Mistakes are good. Mistakes help you learn. Every time you make a mistake, you discover something new. You learn what is correct and what is not correct. Even native English speakers make mistakes. Yes, it is true. English is not easy even for them. So if they can make mistakes, why can't you? You are learning a new language. You are doing something brave and amazing. So be proud of yourself. Don't let fear stop you from speaking. Open your mouth and speak. If you make a mistake, just smile and try again. The more mistakes you make, the faster you will learn. I remember when I first started speaking English, I made so many mistakes. Sometimes I used the wrong word. Sometimes my grammar was wrong. Sometimes people did not understand me, but I did not stop. I kept speaking. I kept practicing, and slowly I got better and better. So you can do the same. Be brave, be confident, and remember, every mistake is a step forward. Now let's go to tip number 4. Tip number 4 is learn useful phrases, not just single words. Many students learn words one by one. They learn apple, car, house, happy, sad. That is good, but it is not enough. In real conversations, we don't speak with single words. We speak with phrases and full sentences. So instead of learning just the word hungry, learn the phrase, I am hungry. Instead of learning the word tired, learn, I am feeling tired. Instead of learning the word happy, learn, I am so happy today. Do you see the difference? When you learn phrases, you are learning how words connect with each other. You are learning how words connect with each other. This makes your speaking much more natural. So, where can you find useful phrases? You can find them in movies, in songs, in videos, in books. When you hear a phrase that sounds good, write it down. Practice saying it out loud. Use it in your daily life. For example, if you learn the phrase, how are you doing? Then use it when you meet someone. If you learn the phrase, I have no idea, then use it when you don't know something. The more you use these phrases, the more natural they will become, and people will be impressed by your English. Tip number 5 is think in English, not in your native language. This tip is a game changer. Most students think in their own language first, then they translate to English in their mind, then they speak. But this process is very slow, and it makes speaking difficult. So what should you do? You should try to think directly in English. I know this sounds hard, but it is actually simple if you start small. Don't try to think long, complicated thoughts. Start with very simple thoughts. For example, when you see a dog, think in your mind, that is a dog. The dog is brown. The dog is running. When you see food, think, this looks delicious. I want to eat this. I am hungry. When you feel something, think, I am happy. I am tired. I feel good. These are small thoughts, but they train your brain. After a few weeks, your brain will start thinking in English automatically. You will not need to translate anymore, and your speaking will become much faster and more fluent. So practice this every day. Make it a fun game. Describe things around you in English in your mind. Talk to yourself in English. Even if no one hears you, that is okay. This is for you. This is your practice. Now, tip number 6 is read out loud every day. Reading silently is good for learning new words, but reading out loud is amazing for speaking practice. When you read out loud, you are using your voice. You are practicing pronunciation. You are training your mouth to make English sounds. You are building your speaking muscles. Yes, your mouth has muscles and they need exercise, just like your body. So what should you read? You can read anything you like. You can read a short story. You can read a news article. You can read a children's book. You can read dialogues from a movie script. Start with something easy, something that is not too difficult. Read it slowly, read it clearly. Focus on pronunciation. Then read the same thing again, a little faster. Then read it one more time with emotion and expression. Imagine you are an actor. This makes it fun and it helps you improve quickly. Try to do this for just 10 minutes every day. You will see amazing results. Your pronunciation will get better, your confidence will grow, and your speaking will sound more natural. Tip number 8 is watch English videos with English subtitles. This tip is so powerful, but many students never do it. Recording yourself helps you hear how you sound. You can listen to your own voice. You can notice your mistakes. You can see where you need to improve. It is like having your own teacher. So how do you do this? It is very simple. Take your phone and open the voice recorder app. Then just speak. Talk about your day. Talk about your hobbies. Talk about your dreams. Talk about anything. Speak for 1 minute or 2 minutes. Then listen to the recording. When you listen, ask yourself these questions. Can I understand myself? Is my pronunciation clear? Am I speaking too fast or too slow? Did I make any grammar mistakes? Then try again. Record yourself one more time and try to improve. Do this every day and you will be amazed at how much better you become. At first, you might not like hearing your own voice. That is normal. Everyone feels that way. But don't worry. Keep practicing, keep recording, and you will see progress. Tip number 8 is watch English videos with English subtitles. Watching videos is a great way to learn English, but many students watch videos in the wrong way. Some students watch with subtitles in their own language. That does not help much. Some students watch without any subtitles. That can be too difficult. So what is the best way? Watch English videos with English subtitles. This way you can hear the words and read the words at the same time. Your ears and your eyes work together. You learn how words are pronounced. You learn how sentences are written. You connect listening with reading. Start with easy videos. You can watch cartoons, you can watch kids' shows, you can watch simple English learning videos. Then slowly move to harder content like movies, TV shows, or documentaries. Pause the video when you don't understand something. Write down new words, look up their meaning, then continue watching. This method is fun and very effective. You are learning without feeling like you are studying. Okay, my dear friends, we are coming to the end of this video. Let me quickly review all the tips I shared with you today. Tip number 1, speak English every day, even just for 5 minutes. Tip number 2, listen to English every day. Tip number 3, don't be afraid of making mistakes. Tip number 4, learn useful phrases, not just single words. Tip number 5, think in English, not in your native language. Tip number 6, read out loud every day. Tip number 7, record yourself speaking. And tip number 8, watch English videos with English subtitles. These 8 tips are simple, but they are very powerful. If you follow these tips every day, I promise you your English will improve so much. You will speak with more confidence, you will understand more, you will feel proud of yourself. Remember, learning English is a journey. It takes time, it takes practice, it takes patience, but you can do it. I believe in you. Don't give up. Keep going. Every day you practice, you are getting better. Every word you speak, you are moving forward. I am so proud of you for watching this video. You are already taking steps to improve your English, and that is wonderful. Thank you so much for spending these 10 minutes with me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to English Go Easy for more slow English listening practice. I will be here to help you every step of the way. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep practicing, keep learning, and keep believing in yourself. You are amazing. Goodbye, my friends, and take care.